Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can get a Crypto.com prepaid card or Visa card. So first is you have to sign up the Crypto.com application and complete the onboarding process. So you can download on iPhone or Android. Next is follow these steps to apply for your card in the Crypto.com application. So first is go to level up in the top right corner of the home screen or access it from the main menu. Next is to explore the different plans and their benefits, and then just select your preferred plan. You can subscribe or lock up and confirm your selection. So if you choose to subscribe, you can select your billing cycle and complete your payment. But if you choose to lock up or stake CRO, you can follow the on-screen instructions to complete the transaction. Now on the level up screen, you can tap on the start next to Crypto.com card. So you can proceed to apply for your card and then choose the color of your card. This is for Pro and Private. So usually is in $50,000 plans only. So you can submit your residential address. So address proof of requirements can be found here. So you can click on this one, letter A, and then just submit your card name. So you will be notified when your virtual card has been issued, which you can use to start shopping online right away. Now, once your virtual card has been issued, you can start to proceed with the request of a physical card by following these steps. So first, just go to card from the bottom navigation, tap on more, and then go to settings. Now from there, just tap on request physical card. So a card issuance fee may apply. So you can see in this link right here for details. So after you confirm your shipping address, they will just ship your card as soon as possible. And then you can track its shipment status from the card tab. So the estimated shipping times are as follows. So here you can just take a screenshot if you want. So here are the estimated delivery time. So that's it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.